On Thursday, IPFT leaders went to visit the family of Dhananjay Tripura, who went missing while going to Chennai in search of work. IPFT leaders gave their words that they will try their best to search out the missing Dhananjay Tripura. On the other hand, family members and wife of Dhananjay Tripura burst out in tears as the IPFT leaders went to visit their family. They are worried about if they will get Dhananjay Tripura back or not.
Belake hambai tini toilai toilai ni mulu para na
toilai na bokma para
toilai Santri Bazar RD blog be antargata sing kaisa khnai phaimaka haisi bo khub borok suja sing ang tongo bubai age ang sinibo kangai tabu nogo phai khana phaika khai hai bo thangmani 29 tarik thangka 29 tarik thangai ti koma mani godin sing kam
शुक्रबार हट 12 रे कमा
शुक्रबार हट 12 ताओ कमा खा कमा हनि सिं खनाय सिं फाइका बिनि नुखुं नायदि बलाइखे वानामा सिंसा आइखाबा
इदसे तमा दिया नबा
बिनि साजलामा सा दङो बिनि साजो बो आं कयनाय जौतो जे तिलांनि थांनाय एजेन्ट बिशेष खलायै बनो कयनाय आं नरक जेहेतु तिलांनि थांका अबनो रुतुबै kisisa bo boro tongno jehetu jaga tonguba abono rutungnani chesta khlaidi tegaisa koinai oro sini bibinno jaga samung tangu ei Bengaluru Chennai Hyderabad ibai jagao samung tangu sini borokni hi kaisa oro organization tong o organization team borok one borok no sugamani busung nubu ke thikang ka borok no tubui rupayo sunga borok rong no koinai borok jehetu ro tongba o nukhung no nai o borok no nai borok isa gana tongma ba borok khus khlaike laike hamnai hini borong thani bang koi ei Tripura sarkar বিশেষ khlai chini prashasonik rok borok no koinai je omo police prashasoni bisingti phano omo naituk jangni thung ni borong no koinai hambai
Bureau report Chini Khorang.